Two kids with their hearts on fire, who's gonna save us now? When we thought that we couldn't get higher, things started looking down. I look at you and you look at me like nothing but strangers now. Two kids with their hearts on fire, don't let it burn us out. Think about what you believe in now. Am I someone you cannot live without? Cause I know I don't wanna live without you. Yeah, come on, let's turn this all around. Bring it all back to the bar downtown, when you would've let me walk out on you. Yeah, you said, hey, what you doing for the rest of your life? And I said, I don't even know what I'm doing tonight. Went from one conversation to your lips on mine. And you said I never regretted the day that I called you mine. So I call you mine. Can I call you mine? And you said I never regretted the day that I called you mine. Broke kids running through the city, drunk on the subway train. Set free every time you kissed me, we couldn't feel no pain. You looked at me and I looked at you like we never look away. Broke kids running through the city, don't let the memory fade. You said, hey, what you doing for the rest of your life? And I said, I don't even know what I'm doing tonight. Went from one conversation to your lips on mine.
On my own, but I don't know why you hit the road, but you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, cause I won't be there. I won't look back. Cause I won't look back. I won't look back. Cause I won't look on my own. And I don't know why she told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth. In your eyes, there's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, cause I won't be there. I won't look back. Cause I won't look back.
You know me the best, you know my worst. See me hurt, but you don't judge. That right there is the scariest feeling. Opening and closing up again. I've been hurt, so I don't trust. Now here we are staring at the ceiling.
I've said those words before, but it was a lie.
say letters? Why is it so hard to say? If all it is to say letters, why am I in my own way? Why do I pull you close and then ask you for space? If all it is to say letters, why is it so hard to say? Every line on our hands align. When your hands are mine, it's like I'm whole again. Isn't that a sign? I should speak my mind.
Hai, nama saya Syahadah Nurjanah binti Hussein. Saya merupakan peserta Kursus Asas Sesi Jun 2019. Impak yang saya dapat daripada program ini yang berlangsung selama 3 hari 2 malam adalah impak yang terbesar saya dapat lah. Kita dapat membendung perasaan takut. Contohnya daripada first saya datang, tak berani pun sebenarnya. Macam ada juga lah macam takut-takut kan. Lepas tu ramai peserta saya tengok, dia orang sebenarnya tak berani. But bila dah selepas beberapa hari, actually bila buat presentation, semua orang kena kena present tau. So daripada situ dapat membendung perasaan takut dia orang. So and then sampai hari ketiga ni saya dapat lihat lah daripada perasaan takut tu dah tak ada takut. And then terutamanya daripada aktiviti Explorers juga dapat membendung semangat kerjasama antara pasukan. Contohnya halangan, cabaran yang kita lalui, kita perlukan kerjasama antara pasukan, antara satu sama lain. Seterusnya apa yang saya dapat daripada aktiviti TPOG, The Power of Giving, adalah seorang pemimpin dapat merancang satu strategi dengan dia punya kumpulan untuk menghasilkan satu idea yang dicurah-curahkan daripada ahli-ahli lah. And then dari situ kita juga dapat bekerjasama dalam menghasilkan TPOG tu, The Power of Giving tu, untuk mengangkat satu beban di tengah-tengah agar benda tu terangkat. Faham tak? So maknanya kita macam spider web, kita buat spider web and setiap ahli kumpulan mesti pegang tali tau. So tali tu bila kita bekerjasama dalam mengangkat, so benda yang di tengah-tengah tu dia akan terangkat. So itu je lah yang saya dapat. Kesimpulan apa yang saya dapat daripada camp ini adalah kita datang dengan membawa tangan yang kosong dan tiada ilmu, tetapi apabila kita balik dengan membawa 1001 ilmu pengetahuan yang mana dapat menjadi pendorong kepada diri sendiri. Selain itu, ilmu ini juga saya dapat berkongsi dengan rakan-rakan saya yang lain dan perkara ini akan menjadi rujukan buat mereka pada masa akan datang. Itu sahaja daripada saya. Wassalam.
Assalamualaikum. Hai, nama saya Muhammad Fawad Ishraq Befordin. Saya salah seorang peserta Kursus Asas PRSP Sesi Jun 2019. Impak yang saya dapat daripada program ini ialah daripada saya tak berani bercakap. Selepas daripada program ini, saya berani tampil menunjukkan bakat yang terpendam saya. Saya dapat daripada Kursus Asas ini, saya dapat mengenal apa maksud sebenar pembimbing rakan siswa. Seperti contoh, saya dapat menjadi ejen kepada pegawai psikologi untuk meringankan beban tugas pegawai tersebut. Sekian, terima kasih.